Welcome back to BitcoinDorks, your daily source for cryptocurrency market updates and news. Today, we're diving into the world of MicroStrategy and its recent stock performance, despite Jim Cramer's advice. MicroStrategy, a publicly traded company headed by CEO Michael Saylor, has been making waves in the cryptocurrency space with its bold moves into Bitcoin. MicroStrategy made headlines in 2020 when it announced its first significant investment in Bitcoin, purchasing over $400 million worth of the cryptocurrency. Since then, the company has doubled down on its Bitcoin bet, adding billions more to its balance sheet and becoming one of the largest institutional holders of Bitcoin in the world. Jim Cramer, the host of CNBC's Mad Money, has been vocal in his skepticism of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy, warning investors against following in the company's footsteps. Cramer has argued that MicroStrategy's heavy reliance on Bitcoin exposes the company to unnecessary risk and volatility, potentially harming shareholders in the long run. Despite Cramer's warnings, MicroStrategy's stock, ticker symbol MR, has continued to perform well in the market. In fact, MR recently reclaimed the $1,500 mark, reaching new highs despite the negative sentiment from some analysts and investors. This impressive performance has left many wondering whether Cramer's advice was off the mark or if there's more to MicroStrategy's success than meets the eye. One possible explanation for MicroStrategy's resilience in the face of criticism is the growing acceptance and adoption of Bitcoin among institutional investors. As more companies and financial institutions embrace Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value and hedge against inflation, the demand for Bitcoin-related investments, such as MicroStrategy stock, is expected to increase. This institutional support could be driving up the price of MR and offsetting any negative impact from Cramer's advice. MicroStrategy's stock performance is not solely attributed to market dynamics or investor sentiment. Rather, a significant contributing factor lies within the company's unwavering commitment to its Bitcoin strategy. Despite facing criticism and skepticism from certain quarters, MicroStrategy, under the leadership of CEO Michael Saylor, has maintained steadfast belief in Bitcoin's long-term potential. This resolute confidence in the cryptocurrency as a store of value and hedge against inflation has resonated deeply with investors who share Saylor's bullish outlook on Bitcoin and its role in the future of finance. The journey of MicroStrategy's embrace of Bitcoin began in August 2020 when the company announced its bold move to allocate a substantial portion of its treasury reserves into Bitcoin, effectively signaling its belief in the cryptocurrency as a superior store of value compared to traditional fiat currencies. This initial investment, totaling over $400 million, sent shockwaves through the corporate world and the cryptocurrency community alike, marking one of the first instances of a publicly traded company making such a significant allocation to Bitcoin. However, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin journey was far from over. In the months that followed, the company doubled down on its Bitcoin bet, engaging in successive rounds of Bitcoin purchases that saw its holdings swell to over $5 billion by the end of 2021. This aggressive accumulation of Bitcoin not only solidified MicroStrategy's position as one of the largest institutional holders of the cryptocurrency but also served as a bold statement of confidence in Bitcoin's ability to preserve and grow value over time. Central to MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy is CEO Michael Saylor, whose unwavering conviction in the cryptocurrency has guided the company's decision-making process. Saylor, a vocal Bitcoin evangelist and proponent of its revolutionary potential, has been a driving force behind MicroStrategy's embrace of Bitcoin as a corporate treasury asset. His steadfast belief in Bitcoin's long-term viability as a hedge against fiat currency debasement and inflation has emboldened MicroStrategy to defy conventional wisdom and stake its future on the success of the cryptocurrency. MicroStrategy's commitment to its Bitcoin strategy goes beyond mere financial investment. It reflects a broader ideological alignment with the principles of decentralization, financial sovereignty, and sound money. By embracing Bitcoin, MicroStrategy is not only seeking to protect its treasury reserves from the erosive effects of inflation, but also aligning itself with a global movement towards a more transparent, equitable, and censorship-resistant financial system. The impact of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy reverberates far beyond the confines of its own balance sheet, exerting a profound influence on the broader narrative surrounding Bitcoin as an institutional-grade asset and reshaping perceptions of its role in the global economy. By boldly embracing Bitcoin as a treasury asset, MicroStrategy has not only demonstrated its faith in the cryptocurrency's long-term potential, but has also set a powerful precedent for other corporations to emulate. As one of the first publicly traded companies to publicly endorse Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value and hedge against inflation, MicroStrategy has effectively paved the way for a new era of institutional adoption and investment in the cryptocurrency. This pioneering move has catalyzed a paradigm shift in the corporate world. prompting a growing number of companies to reconsider their treasury management strategies and explore the potential benefits of integrating Bitcoin into their balance sheets. In doing so, MicroStrategy has played a pivotal role in mainstreaming Bitcoin as an asset class and legitimizing its place within the traditional financial ecosystem. As more companies follow MicroStrategy's lead and allocate capital to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency's status as a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies is further reinforced, ushering in a new era of financial innovation and decentralization on a global scale. MicroStrategy's aggressive accumulation of Bitcoin has positioned the company as a bellwether for the cryptocurrency market. As Bitcoin's price continues to climb, so too does the value of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings, providing a significant boost to the company's balance sheet and stock price. This symbiotic relationship between MicroStrategy and Bitcoin has likely contributed to Mr. strong performance in the market. In conclusion, MicroStrategy's stock has defied expectations and reclaimed the $1,500 mark despite Jim Cramer's advice. The company's unwavering commitment to Bitcoin and its growing acceptance among institutional investors have fueled Mr's impressive performance in the market. While Cramer's warnings may have given some investors pause, it seems that MicroStrategy's bullish stance on Bitcoin has won out in the end. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, MicroStrategy is poised to remain a key player, driving further adoption and investment in Bitcoin for years to come. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to BitcoinDorks for more updates on cryptocurrency markets and news.